You are not invisible to me. I know how that word forgotten settled into your heart little by little. Not all at once, but quietly. Through unanswered messages. Through waiting too long. Through watching others move forward while you stayed where you were, wondering if anyone still noticed you breathing, trying, hoping. I know how it feels when silence becomes loud, when you start asking yourself questions you never thought you would ask. Do I still matter? Did I do something wrong? Did God pass me by? Look at me, I have been here the entire time. I saw you when no one checked on you. I saw you when your effort was overlooked. I saw you when you kept showing up. Loving, giving, helping, even when your own heart was empty. I saw you when you felt replaceable. Like your absence wouldn't change anything, it did. You matter to me more than you know. You didn't imagine the loneliness. You didn't exaggerate the pain. You weren't weak for feeling unseen. You were human, and you were still mine. There are seasons when I work quietly, not because I am distant, but because I am close. There are moments when I shield you from attention, not because you lack value, but because I am protecting what is precious. I kept you where you were while you thought you were forgotten. I held you steady while you thought nothing was happening, and all the while, I was watching you grow in ways no one else could see. I know the prayers you stopped praying out loud. I know the dreams you folded away because disappointment hurt too much. I know the times you whispered, "I'm tired of waiting," and didn't know who was listening. I was. I know your name. I know your tears. I know your timing. You do not need to prove your worth to me. You do not need to compete to be seen by me. You do not need to perform to be loved by me. You already are, right? Now, hope is returning to you, even if it feels small. That heaviness in your chest is loosening. That voice telling you you don't matter is losing its strength. I am breathing life back into the parts of you that felt ignored, dismissed, forgotten. Stay here with me for a moment. Breathe. You are not late. You are not behind. You are not overlooked. I am aligning things you cannot see yet. I am preparing moments that will make sense later. And one day, you will look back and realize that what felt like abandonment was actually protection. Lift your head, my child. You are seen, you are known, you are remembered, and you are deeply loved, not because of what you do, but because of who you are to me. If this moment has touched your heart, don't rush away from it. Let it settle, like this video, as an act of faith, not for the algorithm, but to mark this moment of hope. Share it with someone who feels unseen and needs to hear this today, and subscribe to Revelation Media, so I can keep speaking life, strength, and assurance into your heart, day by day. You are not invisible to me, you never were, and I am not done with you.